was really interesting and we got a lot of tips and also tools that we can use, and it was really interesting.
Tips that are very easy to follow.
Hi, I am Eric Jan.
Hi, I'm Annemieke.
The Masterclass was really awesome. I learned a lot today, so hopefully I can share my knowledge with other people.
It's about sleep, it's about cybersecurity, social media, communication, focus, less email, less meetings, all that kind of things we all know, but we don't do.
I really liked it. I learned a lot from both of you guys. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward for your next Masterclass.
Very much informative, and I really recommend it. Good job.
It was very interesting and tools that we're going to use in our company. So sign up, it's very interesting.